What are some environmental problems in your country? What are some environmental problems in your country? Spain has many environmental problems. One big problem is air pollution. In big cities like Madrid, there are too many cars and factories, and the air is not clean. Another problem is deforestation. People cut down too many trees, and this is bad for animals and the climate. Water pollution is also a problem. Many rivers and seas are dirty because of plastic and waste. The temperature is getting hotter because of climate change. In summer, there are many wildfires. These fires burn down forests and homes. Also, Spain has a problem with droughts. It does not rain a lot, and there's not enough water for people and plants. To help the planet, people can recycle, use less water, and take care of nature. If everyone helps out, Spain can be a cleaner and greener country, avoiding environmental problems. Speaking es un nivel A2 porque usa frases cortas, claras, con vocabulario básico sobre problemas ambientales. También incluye algunos phrasal verbs comunes, pero sencillos, como cut down and burn down. Vocabulario clave entonces. Air pollution, contaminación de aire. There's a lot of air pollution in big cities like Madrid. Deforestation, deforestación. Deforestation is bad for the climate. Water pollution, contaminación de agua. Water pollution affects rivers and seas. Climate change, el cambio climático. Climate change makes summers hotter. Wildfire, incendio forestal. The wildfire burned down many trees. Drought, drought. Sequencia, the drought made the land very dry. Cut down, talado. They cut down too many trees. Cortaron demasiado árboles. Burn down, quemar completamente. The fire burned down the house. El fuego quemó la casa por completo. Take care of, cuidar de. We must take care of nature. Debemos cuidar de la naturaleza. Help out, ayudar. Everyone must help out to save the planet. Todos deben ayudar para salvar el planeta. ¿Cómo podemos mejorar entonces? Podemos usar conectores más avanzados. Por ejemplo, hemos dicho Spain has many problems. One big problem is air pollution. Podemos cambiar por Spain faces several environmental challenges, the most significant being air pollution. España enfrenta varios desafíos ambientales. El más importante es la contaminación del aire. Y podemos incluir más detalles y ejemplos. Por ejemplo, hemos dicho people cut down too many trees. Podemos cambiar por due to deforestation, thousands of trees are cut down every year, affecting biodiversity. Debido a la deforestación, miles de árboles son talados cada año, afectando la biodiversidad. Y podemos usar sinónimos y estructuras más avanzadas. Por ejemplo, hemos dicho water pollution is a problem. Podemos cambiar por the contamination of water sources is a growing concern in Spain. La contaminación de las fuentes de agua es una preocupación creciente en España. Con ese tipo de mejoras subirá a un nivel más bien como un B1.